Good morning, fellas. It's another day with Global Kitchen, and today I'm gonna do a special soup called pepper soup or light soup. Authentic, original pepper soup from Ghana. I have here with me some ingredients for the pepper soup. Of course, you need a pepper, okay? You need eggplant. Original authentic pepper soup from Ghana, it goes with eggplant, for those who don't know. So this will be different pepper soup from other pepper soup that you see from different countries. For Ghana, original pepper soup goes with eggplant. Of course, I have my salt here. I have my blended onion, garlic, and ginger, okay, for spicing. I have a chopped onion, I have tin tomatoes, I have raw tomatoes, and have onion. I have my cube, and not forgetting, I showed you, this is my dried chicken and some dry fish. I showed you yesterday how to prepare this, so without much ado, let's start. All right, to start with, I already have my dried chicken and dry fish in, and I need to put some chopped onions, spice it up, and it's like seasoning, okay? Shake them a little bit, and after that, you put in your chopped or blended onion, garlic, ginger on it, okay? Just follow the steps, it's easy steps. All right, so you're gonna give it a little bit of stir, but you have to be careful because you have our fish in there, and you don't want to break it, okay? So yeah, it's a little bit. Add a little bit of water and allow it to simmer, okay, for the spicing and everything to go everywhere on the chicken and fish, okay? This is a simple, like I said, this is a simple recipe. You need to follow it. And if you are new to this channel, just go to YouTube, Global Kitchen, subscribe, and tap the bell for notification. Whilst we leave it to boil a little bit, don't forget a cube. You put a cube in, okay, and you cover it, allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. So fellas, then we come to the eggplant. I'm gonna blend the eggplant, but I don't want a lot of it, so I just divided it into half, and I'm gonna blend the other half, and we're gonna sieve it after we blend it, okay, so that we don't want the roughages and the fiber and everything goes in the soup. So I'm gonna sieve it so that you get the fineness of it. Fellas, now it's boiling, and that is how I want it to be. Then today we're gonna add our tomato sauce to it, okay? Add tomato sauce, and now we're gonna add our raw tomato and have onion and pepper. We're gonna add it to it. At this moment, it's boiled the way I want it. And this is our blended eggplant, and I'm gonna sieve it, okay? I'm just gonna sieve it just to get a very, very smooth. Remember, go to YouTube, type Global Kitchen, subscribe, and tap the bell for notification. This is original, like I said, this is original or very authentic Ghanaian light soup or pepper soup. Nigerians have their way of doing it. Other parts of the African country also have other parts, but this is the original pepper soup from Ghana, whereby you have to add an eggplant. Without eggplant, it probably might be a different recipe, which I've done it before on this channel, but today I decided to cook the authentic, original Ghana pepper soup. Hello. Now I have to blend this. You remember I put this in, and some tomatoes. Okay. Now I'm gonna blend it. I mean, it's all part of the recipe. Okay. It's all part of the recipe. Some people don't even go step by step the way it is. They just blend it at the beginning and they put everything in. So this is the original, recipe. Alright, it's done, and we're just gonna add it to it. A little bit of water. See, and give it a little bit of stir. We always say pepper soup because mostly it's spicy. This kind of soup is very spicy, and it's good for people who are sick and recovering. As soon as you give them, trust me, they're gonna sweat, and after the sweat, that's it. You are strong again. It does a lot of stuff, and that is why we name it pepper soup or light soup, because it's very light. It's not as heavy as some other soup would be, like a benquine, katinquine. This is just very light, and it's very perfectly good for people who are sick and recovering. At this moment, we're gonna wait for it to boil over about 30 minutes, and our pepper soup or light soup will be ready for consumption.